This is a project basically led by Network Goods, which is a team within the Protocol Labs network. We work essentially on revolutionary coordination systems. And we dug into basically the different incentives going into the FVM mainnet launch and imagine different ways in which we could, again, empower community members and experts to basically identify, assess, and reward valuable work going into the mainnet. So the way that we did that was ran these processes using a mechanism called impact evaluators, where builders would basically submit projects, vote with a signal of the strength of their conviction using quadratic voting, and then top projects would basically receive recognition and rewards in accordance with the results of that voting round. So that populates what's publicly published as a builder's leaderboard. So these are basically a community-driven resource that gives anyone insight into the current status of an ecosystem as it's basically emerging. So it's like the concept of an enhanced ecosystem pulse, because it basically is aggregating the sentiment of the people most sort of best positioned to identify the valuable work being done. So these were basically running on 1 month, or sorry, every other week loops, so 2-week loops. And we're about halfway through the total amount of rounds and have 3 more remaining. So you can submit your project if you're building on the FVM, when the deadline is this coming Monday. And so we put this QR code up to basically go check out the leaderboard and to learn more. But what's really exciting is that what's emerged from the piloting of these 2 mechanisms coupled together of impact evaluators and leaderboards is this really interesting model that we plan on basically continuing to deploy beyond the FVM mainnet launch and into other pockets and ecosystem and projects around Protocol Labs and beyond in the broader Web3 space. So we're super excited to basically partner with more individuals around our customizable impact evaluator tool and to grow this model of basically sort of live community-driven ecosystem pulses.
We're basically developing technologies to improve science.
Bring people together using market-based mechanisms.
Homomorphic encryption.
We're building accessible software for everyone.
We are a token compensation platform for Web3 employment.
We're building yield curve for Web3.
We make AI accessible.
We are a global weather network powered by Web3.
We make high potential talent more visible.
We are pushing humanity forward.